Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Sarita. Today we will see how to make this adjustable ring. I have used brass wire and imitation pearls. So let's quickly see the tutorial. (18-gauge brass wire 6" is 24-gauge brass wire, and 8 pearls is a ring mandrel. Keep the wire based on your ring size. Bring it around the mandrel. I am using a pen for making a circular shape on both the sides. Wrap the excess wire towards the end. Before you wrap the excess wire, make sure that the pearl fits in the loop. Take a small piece of 24-gauge wire. Now we are going to wrap the bead inside the loop. Make 3 to 4 wraps and cut off the excess wire. Wrap it on other side as well. The other side as well. So friends, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos. Adjust the size. So our ring is ready to wear. Give a thumbs up if you like this video, and thanks for watching.